What's today, Heather?
Demo day.
Demo day. Lots of work to be done, so we're just gonna get on it and start getting an idea what the new floor plan is gonna be. Power coming in, 2 light switches going out, and I'm not sure what. We'll have to find out. Well, that's gonna take this whole dining room area, as it looks like it was, and kind of just make it more part of the living room, don't you think?
Yeah.
As you can see, the wall's gone. But it's amazing how much better it makes this room look. So the next one's going to be this half wall, straight from the bathroom. So that will then lead out of the house. The only thing we have to mess with is the electrical switches. These are lanai switches. They're for the hurricane shutters that are out there on the patio. And there's an outlet. But that looks like all... Oh, there's a switch here too. This is the closet in the guest room. Be here. $606 later.
Train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane. We come around every June. Black water, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. Everybody's on her, it takes a lot of water to wash away the rain. I was born in the rain on the Ponton train underneath the Louisiana moon. Thank you very much. We'll be right back.
Happy 4th of July.
It's 4th of July. We are at the Cape House, which is going up for sale here pretty soon. And from here we can see the stage for the Cape Coral, what's it called? Red Hot and Boom, I think. And we're going to watch the fireworks.
We ain't got no set list. We're just gonna come up here and party some fireworks.